In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to easily transfer USDT or any crypto from one exchange to another exchange or wallet using your mobile phone. It's a simple, practical guide that anyone can follow. After watching this video, you'll be able to transfer your USDT or any crypto from one exchange to another, or even from one wallet to another, using the same simple blockchain method. For this video, I'll be using two exchanges, Binance, which is one of the most popular, and MEXC. I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to MEXC step by step. First, make sure you have both apps installed on your device, Binance and MEXC. Next, open the MEXC app on your device. Then, tap on Deposit, marked with an arrow pointing down. A new screen will open. From there, select On-Chain Deposit. Once you select On-Chain Deposit, a new window will open where you can choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer from the other exchange. After selecting USDT, a network selection bar will appear. Now you need to choose the blockchain network you want to use for the transfer. I'll choose the BEP20 network for this transfer because it's free and faster. You can select the network that best fits your needs. Once you select the blockchain network on MEXC, your USDT deposit address will appear. Copy this address and make sure to remember the network you selected. It must match during the transfer. Now, minimize the MEXC app and open the Binance app on your device. Then, tap on Assets located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Send. A menu will appear. From there, select On-Chain Withdrawal. Now, select USDT, the same cryptocurrency you chose earlier on MEXC for the deposit. The USDT send screen will open. Select the network as BNB Smart Chain BEP20. Make sure the network must be the same as you selected on MEXC. Then paste the deposit address you copied from MEXC. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, complete the authentication process, and your USDT will be transferred to MEXC shortly. This same process works for transferring crypto between all exchanges and wallets. It's called a network transfer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.